So I would like to invite Mr. Muhammad Wendy Taufik Hidayah as the VP of Product and Technology of Toko Crypto. Let's welcome Mr. Wendy.
Okay, good afternoon. Thank you for Alibaba to give us opportunity to share our story in Toko Crypto. So I would like to present it formally, but hopefully it would be fun for us lah. Sorry. Can we start the presentation? Okay, so I'm Wendy, VP of Technology in Toko Crypto. So hopefully you know our products. And then what I would like to highlight here is my experience. Not only, so I don't have any background in blockchain or crypto before, and also our others employee, but we can do it in blockchain technology. Okay, so let us know more about the Toko Crypto itself. So Toko Crypto established in 2018, and then right now we are the first regulated crypto exchange in Indonesia. And also one more thing, we also achieved the ISO 27017 about the cloud security certification. So this is important for us. So I would like to explain it on the next slide. And then we also have a vision making the blockchain and crypto legitimate and also mainstream in Indonesia. So we are committed to develop our environment in blockchain technology. We educate people how to enter in the blockchain technology as well. So we will also explain on the next slide lah. Okay, so this is the story behind of the Toko Crypto. So if we take a look on the 2019 until 2020, so we only achieve about 2% of our biggest competitors in Indonesia. And then in a year, we can achieve above 5% of trading volume of our biggest competitors. So this is a good achievement for Toko Crypto. And then, yeah, it also followed by the mobile apps download and also the registered user and of course the active user on Toko Crypto. So why we can do that? So I think this is our key point. So we change our culture to be innovation culture. So how we can do that? So the first, without only changing the culture, right? We try to also be on track. So we try to implement the ISO 27001 and also 27017 in our company. So because we want to have a trust from our customer, and also we want to focusing on utilizing the cloud technology. So as we can see on the previous slide, we only the one in crypto exchange that achieved the 27017 in Indonesia. So this is our background. So the reason why we implement and focusing, utilizing the cloud technology, because yeah, as we know, I think it's too small. This is the survey from PwC. So we can utilize some of the technology to make an innovation, or of course, efficiently our work resources, and also impact to the business as well. And then, yeah, because this is a startup day, I want to share about our methodology as well. So, yeah, I think we all familiar with the methodology. But the thing is, we have to really enjoy the step of the agile here. So what we do on the Toko Crypto, so we are doing a planning and then doing a daily stand-up because we are working remotely. And then, of course, the most important thing is retrospective. So we know what we should do, what we don't, what we have to stop, and etc. And of course, we also change this kind of things lah. So maybe on the product or engineer team, we transform it into this. So we believe that happy employee will be give us a result, and then so we transform the work life to the fun work life lah. Why? Kenapa? Sorry. Next. Okay. Next. Okay. And then we also try to communicate everything to our customer. We held an event, and then we also held in online previously because the COVID situation. So, for example, for our TKO token, we also held the TKO summit regularly, and then inform all of our growth to the community, to our customer, and etc. And then the most important key also hearing the customer voice. So all of the issue feedback, we also bring it to the top management level. So every time we creating the product, so we considering all of the customer voice. So what we have until we implement this kind of innovation culture. So right now, Toko Crypto not only have a place as a crypto exchange, but we also try to develop the environment, the community, and also the products and programs to support the environment. And then proudly want to announce that TKO. So maybe nobody know about the behind the story of the TKO. TKO is the first Indonesian token that successfully launched in Indonesia and go globally. Can you give us applause? And then one more thing. So it's made by the local developers. So we should proud of it lah. We launched it as an Indonesian token and then go globally, and it's created by the local developers. And then So we want to have a Toko first. So now we have some of utility and also the program of the end products. So we have now T-Hub. T-Hub is the place that you can go, and then we will hold some of event on that. So we have a T-Hub in Jakarta and Bali. We have in Patal, Senayan, and yeah, shortly we will launch on the M Block as well. So if you go to Bali and then you can go there lah. You can work there. We have a co-working space and also food and beverage, so you can enjoy and learn how the blockchain works. And also we also have the Toko Launchpad. So we try to gather some ventures and then to fund to your startup in blockchain technology. And then we will incubate. So why we have a Toko Mall as our NFT marketplace and also TKO as our token. So we want to have the experience and then share to the Indonesian people. So all of Indonesian people can really enjoy the blockchain technology. And then we have also Toko Scholars. We have Toko Cryptoversity. So you can learn more about the blockchain technology. We have the Toko Labs and also the Toko News. I think that's all, and salam to the moon.
Toko Crypto has come a long way to become #1 in Indonesia. And now we present Tokoverse, an ecosystem powered by TKO that serves the community in many ways. From elevating local artists by selling NFT art, incubating diverse local blockchain projects, to educating the community in crypto assets trading and investing, all enabling you to be ready for more.